Yes, ठीक है. Yes. So, Namaskaram. This is Rohit Apudia, and we are conducting Phase 3 research meeting. Volunteer Sitish Munganti from Mungantiwar from KM Medical College, Mumbai. And over to you, Sitish. Yes. Please enumerate your topic. Name your topic and start with your briefing.
Yes. So this is the phase 3 research topic given by Sir, stating about papaya leaf extract, how it cures the dengue fever.
Yes. Was there any additional question? Screen sharing kara.
No,
Screen sharing kara. Yes. Was there any additional question?
no, nothing else. It was just given as a point
No, other
to search about
other
how.
treatment modalities for dengue हा topic नव्हता दिलेला का?
No. It was
Okay.
not given anything specific like that.
Okay, specific to papaya leaves only. Okay, yes.
Okay, so there
Yes.
were. I searched for articles on PubMed.
Yeah.
So, from various articles, I have jotted down some of the important points,
Yes.
which not only tell us about how the papaya leaves cure the.
Your voice is getting broken up.
And the articles just
Yes.
said that papaya leaf.
Please,
Hello?
please pardon. There was a breach in your voice.
Okay, sorry. I was saying that there were so many articles on the PubMed stating that papaya leaves cure the platelet count in our blood, and it normalizes the platelet count by elevating it. But never it was told in any of the article that how, by which mechanism it elevates the platelet count.
So basically, the mechanism of action of platelet rise is not being specified in any
Just
of the articles.
second.
Your voice is not audible and nor your screen is getting shared, the photograph that we were expecting.
It is not sharing.
No, it is just scrolling on my screen saying that Sitish Mungantiwar has started screen sharing, and yeah, now it is just, yes, now it has come up.
Oh,
Okay, no issues. Just pardon your sentence. You said that you have gone through so many articles which have mentioned about rise in the platelet count due to papaya extract consumption. Papaya leaf extraction consumption, but none of the article specifies that how and in what way and by what mechanism of action are they doing it, right?
yeah, very true.
Yeah.
So they just the one line which I found among all these articles was that regarding platelet count, they elaborated saying that it has been reported in enhanced blood volumes in ancient Ayurveda books in India. Means they want to say that it's stated in the Ayurvedic books that papaya leaf extracts enhance the blood count. Oh, sorry, enhance the platelet count, but they never. Nowhere it was given the perfect explanation about why does it happen so.
Okay. So they're just given the reference that in ancient Ayurveda books they have given that it is used, but they are not able to
Yes.
disclose and discover the reason as such. So basically, modern medicine
No.
has just used the line, just used the treatment modality, and current modern science is not able to, isolate or pinpoint the cause or mechanism of action for the action of platelet leaf. Papaya leaf extract for platelet count, right? Rise.
At what I think is that they might have researched as well, and they might have got a clue or they might have got an answer to this question.
Okay.
But those articles might not be available to the public. So, access them.
There could be a possibility. Did you come across any? Because there are some memberships or locks for the articles if you go through.
Yes.
So were there any in your case?
No, I didn't get any such articles like that as well, because if there were such articles for which we have to buy or we have to pay something, then they would state the article topic, and then at the
At
very
least they would
start of the
state the
article they would say
abstract. At least they would state the abstract,
yes.
right?
Yeah, or otherwise they would do in this way that they would give the topic, and just below it they would say that if you want to read it further, you have to pay it. But I didn't get any such articles in that way as well.
Yes.
So
I understand. Okay, again your screen sharing has
Yes.
stopped.
Okay.
Just restart it. Yes.
Wait a second.
Yes, yes, it's there. It's there. Okay, so Shiti, just let me know how many articles have you gone through? Kshitij?
It's
Yes,
my
yes, ठीक है,
appliance
no
also.
issues.
I
Please,
was not
please
able to
continue.
scroll.
Yes, please continue. My
So where
question
did I
was,
stop then?
how many articles have you come across for the same?
No, no. Yeah, yeah.
No,
So as I said, there
no,
were
no, no,
not
no.
such
I'm,
any
I'm, I'm
articles.
asking about the total number of articles that you have gone through for this topic.
Or 10 articles to be precise.
Okay, okay. So you would enlist them and send the PDFs in the second PDF, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Uh,
Okay. So as
yes,
such,
yes, sir. I said yes.
yes, yes. So as such, we are not able to trace currently the specific content which is acting as a platelet rise factor with the help of the, I mean, the leaf extract of the papaya plant.
Yes.
Is this our conclusion? Kshitij, is this
No,
our?
that's not the conclusion.
Yeah.
2 points we have got
Okay.
from the articles. One is that papaya leaf extract. Uh, hello.
Yes, yes. Please continue.
Yeah. It enhances the functions of the gene which are repressed by the dengue virus.
No,
Some
basically,
8 to 10 genes are being
basically,
repressed
no,
by the
no.
dengue virus.
Just a minute, just a minute. Basically, we need to know that what is the action of the dengue virus on our cells and which genes is it repressing.
Okay.
So that has to, have you gone through it?
No, sir. I did go through it, but I didn't get any such articles regarding it.
No, I think see the textbooks that we have read till date or like the study material regarding dengue that we have followed till now. I mean till the third minor. What we have come across, like you come across dengue virus mostly in the microbiology, then you come across it in the subject of PSM. So, as such, what is the mechanism of action of the I mean, how the virus acts at the molecular level? I have not come across it anywhere in any of the texts. We go through the clinical features and what stage which feature is there, and what is the management and what is the protocol treatment and I mean the PSM part in the microbiological part was there, but in microbiology too I didn't find like उसमें है कि it go produces IgG, IgM, short term, long term immunity and all this. So this is quite an interesting thing, and we would like to know in detail about it. If you go through the text and literature a bit and add up ki how it is having the repressive action on the human genome or the host genome or the gene.
Okay.
So do add this
Okay.
point. Yeah. So you were saying something. Please continue it.
No, sir. I was saying the same only that there were two things which the article said. One is that it activates those genes which the virus generally downregulates in the liver cells, and second it says that there are some alkaloids present in the leaf extract, namely carpane, which enhances the platelet count. That's it. That's only
Carpane.
what is given in the article. Yes, CARPAINE.
So have you gone through the individual details of this alkaloid carpane?
No, no. I did a search for it on PubMed, but I didn't get any such thing. But yeah, I
No.
will surely
So what
search
we
for
can what we can do is we can connect with our multipathy, the Ayurvedic team, and we could try to have some details if they have any, right?
Okay.
So this could become a, an exemplary example for the multidisciplinary research, right?
Yes.
Connecting the two pathies. Well,
Yes.
so one is, could we have some details regarding how it downregulates, which gene does it downregulate the dengue virus in the liver cells?
We'll need to search on it
Okay, just give
accordingly.
a thought to it, and if you get something, you can add it and add the reference to, and
Yes.
you can update it later or just directly include it in your article. Do mention the reference, and you can
Yeah, sure.
conclude the thing. So very rightly, you have mentioned one is the aspect of the dengue virus, and second is the aspect of the alkaloid, the probable alkaloid of what you say, the carpine, right, present in the leaf extract of papaya. Okay, if you get
Yes.
time, or maybe if you are able to find, just go through the individual study of carpine. May not be
Okay.
you may not have found it on the PubMed or Medscape, but just Google like
Mm.
what carpine is, if you get any Wikipedia about it, or maybe you can get some associated articles in other pathies, like when we were doing for mango kernel B12, we did not get it from PubMed or Medscape. That it was some pharmacognosy or phytochemistry branch, which was Indo-US study. I think it is 2008 or 2012 article, and I think that article is more sufficient to talk about B12 120 micrograms, and it will shut down the market after a few years of B12. So because it's a potent one, but it is not there on Medscape or PubMed. We found it somewhere else. Like there are other sites like Science Direct or something like that. There are many. You will go. Just Google it. Try to hunt it. I mean, just go for alkaloids in the papaya leaf, or maybe directly with the name carpane the alkaloid. Like just try to hunt over it. I think if we get some details about the individual molecule, maybe we will be able to discover other features or other characteristics which we can use in the treatment modalities otherwise also. I mean, dengue virus ka
Yeah.
treatment, maybe we are able to trace currently that this is used, and carpane could be the probable molecule, key molecule. But this carpane
Yeah.
molecule itself can have so many other features. It may be useful in other
True.
diseases, and dengue virus ki bahut sare bhai behan kind of things, other diseases, viral ones. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
maybe it could be useful as a broad spectrum treatment. Like no one thought कि
Yeah.
सिफालोस्पेरिन आप
Prospect.
सिफालोस्पोरिन आप डिस्कवर कर रहे हो, या पेनिसिलिन आप डिस्कवर हो गया है, तो it would be used on a broader scale. Later penicillin developed resistance is another story, but it was used. मतलब कुछ भी नहीं दिखा तो you put a penicillin because there is no other choice. So currently we are not having much choice for treatment, antibiotic treatment regarding viral diseases. It's just hydration therapy, maintenance therapy, and rest of the thing. So if we get something, I think that would be a new era to start with, and maybe Kshitiz Mungantiwar could get a patent over it along with KY.
Yeah.
ओके, सो आय थिंक दिस इज अ गुड वन. पण ते 10 आर्टिकल वाचायला वेळ लागला असेल, पण एवढ्या 2 गोष्टी शोधण्यासाठी महत्वाच्या गोष्टी आहेत, पण 2 गोष्टी शोधण्यासाठी वेळ जास्त लागला नाही का? द
Kind
की
of.
पॉइंट्स. हा, ठीक आहे, नो इश्यूज, नॉट एन इश्यू. So you can go with these 2-3 points that we have discussed. One is
Yes.
individualization of the carpane, details about it. Second is what was I speaking? Details about the molecular level action of carpine in the liver cells and other cells. So basically, liver is your factory, right? Everything is getting there. But how much is the role of platelets elevating and decreasing in at the liver level? Or for that, you need to know the normal physiology of platelets, how it is getting produced, what are the factors that reduce the number, and which is the action, whether it is bone marrow or there is some other organ or other part also of the body also that is helping out. So how liver cells are having a role in that, this carpen acting there. This needs to be detailed, so that once we get the detail, we can hammer on the point with detailed mechanism of action of the alkaloid. So 2 points. One is individual details of carpen, and second is
Carpane,
yeah, and second is this one.
molecular level.
Yeah, molecular mechanism of action. And what was the other point you had said? Why? Yeah,
No, this 2
the
points
most
are
important as well. Pathophysiology, right? Molecular genetic level of action of this dengue virus doing down regulation and leading to the clinical features, right? So
yes.
these are the 3 points. You can note them. I think the meeting will be shortly uploaded tonight. Directly we
Okay.
will upload it. Yeah, phase 3 part 1 ऐसा बोल देंगे. Okay, just tell me which is the exam date for you in August or September?
It's in August,
What date of August?
25th of August. They have said
So
2 days
okay, no
only.
issues. Are you there with some topic, or you want me to give in? And when it is ending? When is it ending?
Or it's ending in September, second week September.
Second week September. So which way would you like to go? First 10 days of August and then remaining 15 days of September, or completely 15 days of September post exam you will be there in it? What will be okay for you? I don't mind if you take a break
Post
in
exam.
August, but then after exams you cannot be lethargic कि भाई अभी एग्जाम्स हुआ है
Yeah,
थोड़ा सा
yeah.
चिल आउट करना है. That won't be agreeable. And it's up to you, whatever
Yeah,
choice
yes, sir.
you make and whatever you are comfortable with.
Now, yes, post exams only.
Post exams, okay.
After
So then we
yeah,
will.
after second.
So you can take the topic from me then. Is it okay?
Okay.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
And mostly we will also have our exams in the end of August and September first week. So post that we will contact, and in that case, if I'm busy, I will let you know. Otherwise, we can share the topic, no issues. Or maybe I will
Okay.
keep the topic with the research coordinator. I will tell her, I'll convey her, and you can contact her, and she can convey you in that case.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. Yes.
Anyways, we can do. You can just coordinate with her. I will share the topic with her. No issues.
Okay.
Fine, fine, fine. Okay, nice talking to you. That was a good research article. And we are now going towards connecting towards our roots. They're most significant. Huh. And we are yet awaiting. I have not gone through the articles of the rhinovirus treatment also that we had given to one of the volunteers here. Phase 1, phase 2 topic. So that too is, I mean, it comes back to Indian roots. That is more significant because it is having a lot of value currently.
Yeah. True, sir.
So yeah, yeah, fine, okay, no issues. We will continue with it, and just add up these 3 points. You have time now. I don't mind if you update, or if you, I mean, update the research coordinator in the first week of August also. But
Okay, sir.
complete this topic. This is more significant. The 3 questions that we have placed, try to get some significant and specific answer if you could. That will open new doors. Mind well. That will definitely open new doors. Any answer to
Yeah.
any one question of the 3 will open new doors. And if we get the answer for all the 3, we are at different level in that case. So that will be a lot. I mean, that will be very much helpful. Okay, fine. You have any questions you want to ask? Anything? Is it like
No, no, sir. I have jotted down all the points, whatever you have
fine,
said.
fine, fine? Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. So we shall conclude the meeting. Thank you, Shitish, for
Okay.
connecting with us. Yes.
Thank you, sir.